All right, hello there, everybody. First off, I want to say that this is really weird. It's weird for me to be talking to nobody while I'm doing this, but um, I think this will be a good way for us to do some of our lessons this quarter. It'll give you guys time to do it at home and not have to do some things in class. Um, so this first lesson, I just want to give you guys a little bit of an introduction as how this is going to work. So you'll be able to get to my videos on my website like usual. So by going to get to my website, you guys are going to need to remember how to do that for those of you that have never been there. Best way to do that is to get to the Morris Area Schools website, which is simply www.morris.k12.mn.us. Once you are at that place, go to the high school link, click on faculty. It's organized by department, so scroll down to science, where you'll find my name, click on website. Okay, once you are here, in the top left here, you'll see courses in physics. This is where I post weekly schedules of everything that we'll be doing. So you should be able to scroll down to the week. I'm sorry, it's way at the bottom. Um, and you'll be able to see what we're doing for the week, and also anything that's in blue is something that you can click on. Okay, so once you're here, you should be able to click on where it'll say Chapter 8 Notes. Click on that. It'll take you to a spot where you can then view the notes. Okay, now there will be two ways to view the notes. I will have a copy uploaded onto my site so that you can download it and view it in Windows Media Player. You should be able to access this in school. I will also embed a video via YouTube right on my site, so you can view that, or you could search it on YouTube and find it that way. But that will have to be done outside of school. But you could use your phone, or you could use your tablet or your computer, anything you would like to do to view that, so long as you're not behind our firewall at school here. Okay, the other thing I want to be sure and show you today is how to access the online book, which is something that we haven't used a whole bunch. Some of you may have, some of you may have not used it. Okay, now to get to that, what I did on my website, on the left-hand side, you click on Useful Physics Websites. Here, you can access the online book by simply going down here, selecting a username and password. Um, so I'll just take this first one here, Kevin A26. I'm going to highlight the password so I don't have to remember that, and I'll copy it, and then click on this link right above it, where you can then type in the username that you have, Kevin A26, paste the password into there, and get to the online site. Now once you're here, you can go to online textbook, and it's just a pull down menu to get to the proper chapter that you need. If I get this out of the way, we're going to be in chapter 8, fluid mechanics, and you can take a look from there. Section 1 is on fluids and buoyant force. Okay, not only are you going to get a view of the book that we have here, you can highlight, you can take notes, you can search for certain things on here. There are certain interactive pieces that you can take a look at and click on while you're looking at the book. Um, Along with that, there are also resources that you can look at. There's an audio summary where it typically reads for you. There's a few labs, worksheets. I will provide you with worksheets, but these are additional ones. Also on here, there's some additional problem-solving activities where it gives you sample problems and demonstrates things for you. There's a couple of web links here, an interactive review where it's a concept map, and it's essentially like a game type situation. This is something I want you to get familiar with. It's called animated physics. It's on animations and simulations. For this first section, if you were to click on that, it brings you to this. Okay, our first lesson will sort of be based off of this concept right here, so I just wanted to make sure that everybody understood how to get there. Um, Again, in order to get to my website, go to the school website, www.morris.k12.mn.us. Go to the high school, Um, click on high school, click on faculty, scroll down to science department, and go to my website. Again, the outline, the weekly schedule for physics is up here. You have to scroll down to the proper week. And then in order to get to the online book, you'll go to Useful Physics Websites, select a username and password, click on the link, and it'll take you here where you can view the book itself or these other resources, which are some things that I'll be expecting you guys to utilize. All right. Now, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to talk to me, and have a good day.